Hi everyone, thanks so much for clicking on this video. This is just going to be a short video. My name's Dave Ellery
And I'm Jenny Ellery.
and we're from Freedom Thinking. And this short video is just to talk to you a little bit about an event that we've been asked to speak at in Morocco.
So, as soon as Peggy asked us to speak at this event, we knew we wanted to be part of it because anything that Peggy does is about community.
Mm.
So, the way that it's set up, it's all of the speakers have volunteered their time so that all profits is going towards families from disadvantaged areas going on holiday in the summer. So, we're really excited to be part of it. The venue out in Morocco looks amazing. Chrissy, who's helping to organise it, lives out there and has sort of looked at all the different things you can be part of, and yeah, just chosen a beautiful retreat place. Um, so if you want more information, the flyer will be attached to this. But it feels really nice for us to be able to give back. We get to go and be in a beautiful place and share a message that is so special to us. Work with other amazing facilitators, but also the idea that then families that otherwise wouldn't be able to go on holiday get to go out to Morocco and spend time in that beautiful place. So it's kind of no-brainer for us.
Totally. Yeah. So for every single person that shows up, you are helping people who are less fortunate than yourselves to be able to go away and have some people to be the first time abroad. So yeah, this is a wonderful opportunity. Have a look at the flyer. Get in touch. Get in touch with Peggy. Get in touch with Chrissy. The prices start from £650. I think if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me. It's something like 7 nights. It's for 7 nights, and that includes your accommodation. It includes the time spent with the facilitators. As far as I know, it's only going to be in the mornings. So the afternoons are going to be free for people to go and explore, go down to the beach. We're right next to the sea. In fact, the hotels are bang on the seafront. So yeah, this is we're really looking forward to it. We're really looking forward to it. There is an early bird offer though that's finishing this Friday. So
Friday the 14th of Feb.
Friday the 14th of Feb. So yeah, we look forward to to seeing whoever's coming and just sending everybody loads of love.
Yeah, and if you want to get in contact with us and ask more questions, you're welcome to. But in all honesty, Peggy and Chrissy are the ones that really know all the details, and probably Sue and Sheila as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, please get in contact.
And the details are in the flyer attached to this video in the description.
Thank you.